Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You'll start by confirming the essentials so activation proceeds smoothly. First, make sure your iPhone 16 Pro Max is running the latest iOS. Updates fix activation bugs. Next, sign into your Apple ID in Settings and connect to a reliable Wi-Fi or cellular network so Apple can verify your account. Then open Settings Messages and tap Send and receive to check that your phone number and Apple ID email appear. Once done, you're ready to enable iMessage itself in the next step. Now enable iMessage directly and monitor activation. Go to Settings Messages and switch iMessage on. Your iPhone will contact Apple to activate, which can take up to a minute. Make sure Send and Receive lists the correct phone number and Apple ID email, and choose your default send from address so messages originate properly. If activation stalls, briefly toggle airplane mode or restart the phone to refresh network tokens. This forces reattempts and often resolves temporary. Finish by validating that iMessage works end-to-end. Send a message to someone with an iPhone. A blue bubble means iMessage is active. If you see green bubbles or an activation error, sign out of your Apple ID in Settings, restart the phone, then sign back in and re-enable iMessage. For persistent activation failures, wait up to 24 hours and contact Apple support. Carrier or Apple server issues sometimes cause delays. One key tip: ensure date and time are set to automatic to avoid verification conflicts.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.